In this lesson, we will discuss ways that you can begin automating security in your organization. In today's digital landscape, security management is a cornerstone of business operations that can bring efficiency, consistency, and enhanced protection through the automation of cybersecurity in your organization. Security automation involves using technology to perform repetitive security tasks that are crucial for our organization's protection, but often time-consuming or prone to human error. This approach ensures that defenses are consistently maintained and updated, and security threats are responded to swiftly. Automating security involves the use of configurations of guardrails, security groups, service access management, and permissions. First, we have implementing guardrails. Guardrails are automated safety controls that companies put in place to protect against insecure infrastructure configurations. These guardrails are used to ensure that the organization's security protocols are being fully adhered to. Initially, guardrails are configured according to the company's security standards. They are designed to be automatically enforced security policies to prevent any deviations that could introduce potential vulnerabilities. Guardrails also can be configured to continuously monitor the infrastructure by checking your configuration and network traffic against the established guardrails. When a potential security violation is detected, the system will generate an alert and take predefined corrective actions without waiting for human intervention. These actions could involve things like revoking a user's permissions, reconfiguring an affected component, or isolating a potential infected workstation from the network. Second, we have the management of security groups. Security groups act as a virtual firewall for your cloud-based server instances and their associated resources. These security groups offer the ability to specify which incoming and outgoing network traffic is allowed to or from the given cloud-based server. Automation can be used to assign instances to appropriate security groups with predefined traffic rules based on factors such as the cloud-based server's function, location, or associated project. Over time, threats evolve, and our systems can be configured to dynamically adjust their security group configurations to respond to new vulnerabilities or attack strategies. Our automated systems can also help us analyze traffic to and from our instances to ensure that they meet the criteria that has been established by our security group settings to prevent any unauthorized access attempts from occurring. Third, we have enabling and disabling of services and access. Another crucial area to consider automating security is the automation of service access management to prevent unnecessary exposure to risk and to maintain operational efficiency. Automation tools can be used to regularly review who has access to what, so that we can ensure that our employees only have access necessary for their current role. Service access management can be improved to have near instant reaction times by implementing automations that can monitor for any unusual activity. If a system detects unusual activity, it can automatically restrict or disable access to services until a human analyst can fully investigate the unusual activity and determine if it is suspicious, malicious, or just benign in nature. Another use of service access management automation is to enable or disable a given instance or service based on predefined schedule if the service is not continuously needed. This helps to reduce the window of opportunity for a potential cyber attack, since the service can only be attacked if it is running on a given machine. Fourth, we have the automations for managing permissions. Managing permissions is about ensuring that individuals have the appropriate level of access to a system based on their assigned role. This is often done by using role-based access controls known as RBAC. Automating role-based access controls help to assign and manage your system permissions consistently. Using this kind of automation, your system can grant rights based on a given role within your organization. Automatic provisioning and deprovisioning allows a system to update the user's permissions whenever a user joins, moves, or leaves an organization. By automating permission updates accordingly, we can ensure that there is no unauthorized access to our organization's sensitive information. You can also use automated routines to perform regular checks on permission settings to verify compliance with internal policies and external regulation, and also to make any necessary adjustments needed over time. So remember, security automations are not just about reducing the workload of your organization's security team, but it is really about achieving higher levels of precision and reactivity to your security management process to help strengthen your organization's defense against increasingly sophisticated cyber threat actors. To operate at the speed of cyber, our organizations must embrace automation to safeguard our assets, our data, and our operational continuity.